I sometimes like to mix things up when it comes to my outfits. Today's outfit of the day is all about that minimal aesthetic. The first item of today's outfit is, of course, the t-shirt. A plain t-shirt is a staple to anyone's wardrobe. It's crucial to have the right fitted t-shirt that will fit your overall aesthetic. For me, I have the Airism Oversized plain t-shirt from Uniqlo in their U lineup. I have this style t-shirt in multiple colors, and I just love the overall fit of this shirt. It also keeps you nice and cool, and the t-shirt dries quickly from sweat or from water. And if you're looking for the perfect comfortable t-shirt, this cotton poly blended t-shirt is the one to grab. For the pants, I went with the easy ankle pants, also from Uniqlo. You can dress up or dress down with these pants. Not to mention the lightweight fabric keeps you cool and comfortable all day with their elastic waistband. This overall outfit can be dressed up or down with a pair of dress shoes, but I went more for a casual look with the all-white Nike Air Max 90 sneakers. I am really picky with my sneakers, especially when I would need to stand up all day, and these sneakers keep my feet comfortable all day long. The next item is my watch. It is the Invicta classic watch, and yes, it looks like a more expensive Rolex or a cheap knockoff of Rolex, but there's no harm in saving some money and still looking classy with this affordable yet durable classic watch. But more on that later. Here I got two newest additions to my jewelry collection, two stainless steel rings, surprisingly one from Amazon and the last one is from Vitali. Vitali is known for their out of this world designs, and their attention to detail is amazing. Their styles range from over the top to very minimal like this ring here called Tangent. These rings have a certain flair, but still keeps very much to the minimal style going on here. Next item is my ankle no-show socks. Enough said. Last item are my eyeglasses, and I can't see without them. I got this frameless eyeglass from iBuyDirect. It's super lightweight, and since there are no frames, you can see clearly without obstructions. And it's also very affordable. And plus, it's just a clean overall look. So this is my outfit of the day, and here is what the outfit looks like on person. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I know this outfit is not everyone's cup of tea, but as with any fashion style, it is all about your own expression. Don't be afraid to express and be confident. But do let me know your usual style that you rock in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.